The Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program is currently open for applications to study at the University of Cambridge. So, we are going to look at the requirements and the application process. These are the alumni of the scholarship. It could be you. If you submit your application, it could be you next time. So, this is for 2025-2026 intake. The eligibility criteria, first of all, you need to be a citizen of an African country. It doesn't specify which country. As long as you are a citizen of an African country, you qualify for the scholarship. Two, you must be a resident in an African country. And you should be applying for a master's course for up to 1 year. So this means that this is not for PhD. If you're applying for PhD, this is not for you, but it's for master's program, and your master's program should be up to 1 year at the University of Cambridge. And you should meet the academic requirements of the course for which you are applying for. So if you select a course, if you choose a course, make sure that you meet the requirements of that particular course. And you will notice that they did not specify which courses, which means that you can apply for any course you are interested in as long as you meet the academic requirements for that course. Academic requirements, it means the requirements for that particular course that you are choosing. Normally, there are requirements for the scholarship, and then there are requirements for the course. These are two different things. So you need to understand that. Sometimes you may qualify for the scholarship, but not for the course. So you have to check if you qualify for the course that you are applying for. So the scholarship is it's a fully funded scholarship. Your tuition fee will be covered. You get an allowance monthly and a laptop, which is nice. Imagine getting a free laptop. Your visa application fee, your health insurance, and your travel costs will also be covered. So, how do you apply? What is the application process? First of all, you are required to secure admission to your relevant department, which means you have to apply for admission to the University of Cambridge and secure admission. So that's the first thing that you need to do. And then there are two different deadlines for the courses at the University of Cambridge. One, there is the 5th of December to the 5th of January. So the deadline will depend on the course that you are interested in. If you click on this link, you should see the list of courses and their deadline. So it will depend on what course you select. But either way, you still have a lot of time to apply. December, January, you still have enough time to apply for admission and then for the scholarship. So I've put the link for the page that I'm currently explaining to you in the video description. Go and check it out. And also remember to join my Patreon for fast scholarship updates. You can also download the app so that you don't miss any important updates. We have already discussed this, that you need to make sure that you meet the requirements of the course. It says that if you do not meet the requirements of that particular course, then you will not qualify for the application fee waiver. So if you don't qualify for the course, unfortunately, you have to pay for the application fee. You will not be waived from the application fee. So there has to be like a statement, like a personal statement that talks about your commitment to contributing to climate resilience and sustainable future for Africa. So you need to make sure that you include this. You can check more details on this link. So we discussed the application deadlines for the course earlier. For the scholarship is the same. The application deadline for the scholarship is tied to the application deadline of the course you select. For example, if you select a course that is that has application deadline as the 5th of December, that means the scholarship is also due on the 5th of December. If your course deadline is on the 5th of January, the deadline for the scholarship is also the 5th of January. So they are aligned together. So you need to pay attention to that, okay? You cannot send email attachment. You cannot do this. You cannot send any email attachment. You need to apply online. So it's straight and forward. You have enough time to start your application. First, go and check the course that you are interested in. Once you find that course, read the requirements, see if you meet the requirements for that course. If you meet the requirements, then go ahead and apply. And then yeah, you can apply for the scholarship. All the best with your application, and remember, I have a one-on-one private mentorship. So if you need support with your application and you need guidance, you can sign up for my mentorship through the link in the video description. All the best.